गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू द न्यू व्लॉग। सो अभी टाइम हो रहा है 7 o'clock एंड आज के व्लॉग में वी आर गोइंग टू इंडिया AI इम्पैक्ट समिट, जो कि इस साल का सबसे बड़ा AI समिट है। तो अभी मुझे लगता है कि मुझे जाने में एटलीस्ट 2 घंटे लगेंगे, लेकिन आई थिंक अभी भी इतना लेट नहीं हुए हैं। सो हमें फास्ट चलना चाहिए ताकि हम टाइम पे पहुंच पाएँ और भी सारी चीज़ें आगे इस वीडियो में फिर डिस्कस हो। So we are right now at Bharat Mandapam and after a lot of security checkings, because this is a government organized event and it is at so much scale and so much people are there at the venue, so all the security checks and protocols are obviously mandatory. So right now we have cleared all the security checks. We are right now inside going to the plenary auditorium for the events, and the time is also quite like it's around 9:30 around. So this is the one of the buildings of Bharat Mandapam, you can see. By the way, just got aware of the fact that we have to go through some more security check-ins and protocols, because the PMO session where it is going to take place is where we have to pass from at least 2 security check-ins from the place I am seeing it. But these are the protocols we have to follow. So finally we are inside the actually Bharat Mandapam after all those security check-ins, and got the sticker on our bag also. By the way, the security is quite high and it seems quite good and feels quite good. There are a lot of people, a lot of crowd in there as well, but let's see how it goes. So let me give you a quick view of how the Bharat Mandapam looks from inside. Actually, it is one of the biggest conventional centers in India. Actually, it was prepared especially for the G20 and more or less like a conventional center. It's look like a museum, and how great it is architected is like it is very amazing to look after like this.
We are here at a very defining moment in the history. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream. It's an operation reality now, transforming how we move people and goods. From predictive analytics.
Next slide, please. As soon as you hear the word AI, all of you will see any of these tools, whether it's an assistant, or whether it's an application solutions, or frameworks and tools that are there, or the inference providers. We all need inference providers for a variety of purposes.
But I was not getting a lot time to vlog throughout the time, because I was very indulged in networking. I have recorded some of the bites you can see in the vlog, and I have met so wonderful people throughout the globe, and some of the names that I was really tracking from a long time. And सच बताऊँ तो US accent में English बोल के मेरी ज़बान टेढ़ी हो चुकी है, but I am really enjoying. People are getting connected to me, I am getting connected to people, and like they are so lovely people all around the globe, and I'm meeting people from Brazil, from Norway, from US, and they are so much looking forward to like doing great things in artificial intelligence in AI. So I was networking with each and everyone around me and having a great time, and here I found one of my friends from Norway.
Hi,
hey Martin, how are you?
Hello.
And he told me about the beautiful sunsets of the Norway. If you are planning to go Norway, so are there like beautiful sunsets to see at
They're
Norway?
the best sunsets in the whole world. That's in Norway. And go check out the Bad Kodra.
Yeah, check out the Bad Kodra. Even the people from worldwide is saying that.
We came all the way from Norway to see this.
Yeah, my friend Martin came all the way from Norway to just promote my Bad Coder, and we are looking forward to do such more collaborations in future. Am I right, Martin?
Yes, absolutely.
And when I'll be in Norway, I'll be staying at your home, having a dinner at your home. Is this sure?
Of course.
Of course. So I got a friend. Let's see. And now we are going to have sessions with each other. So guys, I was just hanging around and बहुत सारे डेलीगेट से मिल लिया, बहुत सारे स्पीकर से मिल लिया, बहुत सारे ग्लोबल अथॉरिटी से मिल लिया, बट कुछ ऐसे फ्रेंड्स भी मिल गए मेरे को यहाँ पे. Hey guys, how you doing? So सारे सेशंस अटेंड कर लिए हैं? वैसे इतने सारे सेशन से कंफ्यूज नहीं हो रहे सारे सेशन? और सुबह से भागते भागते कोई कह रहा है यहाँ रूम नंबर्स ढूंढने में दिक्कत नहीं होती? Now at this event what actually happened, no network is actually working. ना ही हमारे मोबाइल डेटा वर्क कर रहे हैं, ना ही यहाँ का वाईफाई वर्क कर रहा है, और कोई भी नेटवर्क कर नहीं पा रहा, ना ही लिंक्डइन से, ना ही व्हाट्सएप से. Everyone is exchanging their cards and my pockets are full of cards. Like नहीं भी तो नहीं करके I gathered more than 30 to 40 cards. But मज़ा उतना ही आ रहा है, and people are so courageous to network and people are so enthusiastic about artificial intelligence. और लोग सामने से आके people are like 40s and 50s are connecting to Gen Zs and Gen Zs are connecting to people. लोगों को startup founders अपने investors खोज रहे हैं, जिन लोग अपने clients खोज रहे हैं, लोग job opportunities देख रहे हैं, जो मीडिया से हैं वो अपने लिए गेस्ट ढूंढ रहे हैं अपने for the next interviews and all. So मज़ा आ रहा है. And like ऐसे events, this is not a like regional event, this is a global event. And ऐसा एक या दो बार होता है एक साल में, और people are so excited about this. So just loving whatever is happening and looking forward to attend more 4 days. Because पहला दिन अगर इतना excited है, I was really looking forward कि मुझे UNICEF से जो भी लोग हैं उनसे मिलना है. And when I met those guys and I really understood that what exactly UNICEF does and what exactly UNO is. So अभी तक हमने किताबों में पढ़ा था, लेकिन क्लोजली उनके ग्लोबल अथॉरिटी से बात करके जो समझ में आया कि एग्जैक्टली जो करते हैं दैट इज़ वे डिफरेंट जो बुक्स में बताया जाता है. वो लोग काफ़ी टाइम से और काफ़ी ज़्यादा और काफ़ी ग्रेट वर्क कर रहे हैं एक्चुअली फॉर द सेक ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, फॉर द सेक ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड इन फील्ड ऑफ एवरीथिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ हेल्थ एंड ऑल. सो रियली लाइक हैट्स ऑफ.
Average thinking, average content, average products has increased significantly, and that's why the original thinking will win. And what do I mean by original thinking? Is our personal cultural nuance of our families and the taste and preference that we've built since childhood. Today, to stand out, all you have to do is just be yourself. Nothing else. That's true. You can be just yourself. Like, there has never been an opportunity to show that कि मैं ना इंदौर का
So just ended up watching Raj Shamani's session. That was really great. You have also watched some of the clips that I have attached in the vlog. So actually it was actually one of the best sessions of the day. Watching Raj Shamani giving advices on, I had a chance to ask one question. I was not able to record that, but what advice he gave was actually meaningful, thoughtful, and can be relied on it for like growth, values and success. If you are still watching this video, do like this video, do drop a small and lovely comment, whatever you feel about the vlog, and just subscribe to the channel. Just getting back to some another vlog the next day of Indian Impact AI Summit, and some more events will catch up. So take care and